Gratitude meditation. Hello and welcome to Health and Fitness with Beatrice. In this audio, we are going to do a gratitude meditation. Relaxing breathing, power of receiving and giving, cleansing the body and mind, change the way you think and change your life. This meditation aims to increase happiness, reduce stress, more control over your thoughts and feelings, a way to feel more at peace, more creativity, fewer headaches, lower blood pressure, and less insomnia. Now, sit on a chair facing east. Sit straight up, feet firmly on the ground, hands on your lap, palms up. Close your eyes. Take 8 deep breaths in order to relax further. Breathe slowly and deeply into your lungs. To increase the effectiveness of this meditation, try pressing your tongue to the roof of your mouth. By doing this, you are connecting your earth energy and your universal energy and silencing the chatter inside your head. Stay in the relaxed state. Throughout the meditation, your breathing should be: breathe in for 6 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold for 3 counts. 1, 2, 3. Breathe out for 6 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold for 3 counts. 1, 2, 3. Palms up. Continue to breathe deeply. And now, imagine a brilliant white light coming into your heart. Feel the energy coming in from above, the white blinding light pulling it down inside you. This white blinding light is going into your system, entering your body now. This white blinding light is going through all your internal organs, regenerating, energizing and cleansing them all, rejuvenating one after another. Your whole body is being drenched in this brilliant light, and all your blood and tissue is being cleansed, energized, regenerated and rejuvenated. The light is dissolving and removing all pain on its way through your body. Now ask that anything that needs to be healed is healed now, based upon your belief system, whether it be God, love, life, peace, higher power, the universe, infinitive intelligence, healing energy. Let it come within you. Now, based on your belief system, heal whatever needs to be healed, whether it be your health, body, emotions, thoughts, feelings, relationships, business. All is healed. Breathe and feel like you have this white blinding light pouring into every cell in your body, in your organs, emotions, blood, bones, muscles, joints, spirit, mind and soul, and think and feel healed. This brilliant white light is coming down through your neck, through the core of your spine, down your coccyx, cleansing and energizing and regenerating your whole body. Everything has now been properly cleansed, energized and regenerated. The light goes down to your ankles, feet and toes and enter the earth below you. Now, imagine looking down at your feet. See this brilliant light shine like the sun shining on fresh snow. This brilliant light is starting to dissolve your feet and then your ankles and then your lower legs all the way to your knees. Any pain is dissolved into this brilliant light. The energy is moving up and dissolving your thighs, up to your hips. Your whole body is being dissolved into the light. The light is dissolving all pain on its way up through your body, all the way up through your chest. Now dissolving your wrist and your hands, all the way up to your shoulders. It's now dissolving your chin and the neck and the back of your head, and all the way to your eyes and your forehead. The whole of your body is now dissolving into this brilliant, blinding white light. Now, ask that anything needing to be healed is healed now. Ask that anything needing to be solved is solved now, within you, between you and others, and know is true. Ask that anything needing to be forgiven is forgiven now. Feel compassion for that person who you perceive has wronged you, or for yourself. Feel peace and love. All is forgiven and know is true. Ask that anything needing to be understood is understood now, and know is true. Ask that anything needing to be consoled is consoled now, and know it's true. Ask to strengthen whatever is strong already, whatever is already great inside of you, and know is true. Strengthen within me my love, my joy, my compassion, my patience, my appreciation, my courage, my gratitude, my passion for love, my insights, my intelligence, my power, and finally, my empathy for myself and others. Strengthen them all now. And feel a sense of celebration inside. Feel the vibration of your positive feelings and emotions and celebrate. Find your inner strength. Find small changes to lift your life. Find your solution. Reinforce and celebrate your changes. Rejoice in biggest successes. And it's all happening right now. Feel the power of giving and receiving. And now, bless the world with loving kindness. Serve, send that energy out. You feel like you are serving something great besides you, something bigger than you, that you are one with all. Enjoy that feeling. Belonging. Like the energy comes from the top of your head, the golden light is pouring down into you. When you breathe out, feel like this golden light is filling your lungs and your inside with inner healing and inner beauty, and you are sharing this feeling. Feel this for a second or two. Palms up. Continue to breathe deeply. As I draw your awareness and concentration to a body part, just be aware of that part for a few seconds. Now, start by being aware of your feet and the base of your spine. Imagine this white blinding light going down from the above your head into your head, down to your spine. Now, imagine this white blinding light going down from above your head, into your head, down to your stomach, down your legs, swirling and entering every cell in your body. Through your feet, the light is going down through the ground, deep, deep down into the earth, circulating the earth, and then the energy comes back up from the earth, swirling through each body part. Now, listen to my voice while I guide you through this self-awareness meditation exercise. Please focus on your breathing and let my voice be in the background. Breathe in for 6 and hold 3, and then breathe out for 6 and then hold for 3, and so on. Tense and release each part of your body as we go along. Allow enough time for each body part, tensing them for 6 seconds and releasing for 9 seconds. Now let's start. Relax, think and feel only happy, new, clean thoughts and feelings. Try not to worry about any of the things happening in your everyday life now. When you focus on what you can do in the moment, instead of worrying about future events out of your control, you begin to find healing and relief. Just before we start, for some few seconds now, in your mind's eye, see it like your hand is doing a general sweeping movement over your body and cleanse away and remove all your pain and sorrows. A sweeping movement like the one you do if some light dust got stuck on your clothing. The grey dust you are sweeping away is the tension and stress in your body and mind. Now breathe in through your nose. Imagine inhaling white, brilliant light and think, I love myself. Breathe out through your mouth. Imagine exhaling tension in the form of grey smoke and say out loud, release from that area of your body. Allow enough time for each body part, tensing them for 6 seconds and then releasing for 9 seconds. You breathe out for 6, you hold for 3, you breathe in for 6, you hold for 3, and that goes in a loop. Let's start. Right foot and toes. Right knee. Right thigh. Left foot and toes. Left knee. Left thigh. Hip, pelvis and buttocks. Abdomen. Chest. Upper back and shoulders. Right hand. Right wrist and forearm. Right elbow and upper arm. Left hand. Left wrist and forearm. Left elbow and upper arm. Neck and throat. Jaw. Face. Head. And all the way to the top of your head. Now, very soon, move your fingers and toes. Whenever you are ready, you can open your eyes. How was that? How do you feel now? Hopefully you are more relaxed, and as always, much love to you all wherever you are in the world. And thank you.